In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use request tracking in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable way to capture every request, see exactly where it stands, and keep work moving without constant back and forth. First, set up a single central hub where all requests live. In Asana, that's a dedicated project that serves as your team's inbox and workspace for requests. Keeping everything in one place prevents tasks from getting lost in chats or emails, and it lets you manage priorities consistently. As you add requests to this hub, write clear titles and short descriptions so anyone scanning the board understands what's being asked. Consistency here saves time later. Next, map out the life of a request using sections, also called columns in the board view. Start with new requests. This is the landing zone for everything. Think of it as your intake queue. Don't start work here, just collect and quickly scan for duplicates or missing details. Move items to triage or review when you're ready to validate them. This is where you decide whether the request is in scope, has enough detail, and aligns with your team's priorities. If something's unclear, leave a concise comment to ask for specifics, then shift it to the awaiting feedback column so it's obvious you're waiting on the requester. Once a request is greenlit, drag it into in progress. This column shows what's actively being worked on right now. Keep updates brief but regular so stakeholders don't need to chase status. When you need info from the requester midstream, like assets or approvals, move it back to awaiting feedback so your board always reflects reality. When a request is finished, place it in completed. This becomes your searchable archive. It's helpful for answering, has this been done, and for referencing past decisions or deliverables without digging through old messages. To make this system powerful, add custom fields to your project. Create a priority field with values like high, medium, and low so you can focus on what matters first. Add a request type field to label the nature of work, such as bug, content update, or design tweak, which helps with planning and balancing workloads. Finally, include a status field to capture quick, standardized snapshots of progress, which is especially useful when sorting and reporting. With these fields in place, you can sort your board by priority, filter by request type, and pull instant summaries of your workload. No spreadsheets required. That's it. One central hub, a clear lifecycle with sections, and a few targeted custom fields. Keep the process simple, keep your board current, and your request tracking in Asana will stay fast, transparent, and stress-free.